Question 24, a polygon is graphed on a coordinate grid with x, y representing the location of a certain point on the polygon. The polygon is transformed using the rule x, y, arrow over a x, a y. Which statement must be true? So, what we need to recognize is that this type of rule here is representing a dilation. Dilations are where the scale factor, which in this case is A, is multiplied by both the x and y coordinate coordinate, and this is, and here's my star. Dilations are the only transformation rule with multiplication. So, pause point for reflection 1. If there's no multiplication sign, what's another indicator or another way to show that two values are being multiplied? All right. And now we're going to go ahead and look at our answer choices. So if A is greater than 1, the image of the polygon is congruent to the polygon. Okay. So here's where we have a word that maybe you got stumped on. So pause point for reflection 2 says, what would A have to be? A, or the, remember A equals scale factor. What would A have to be in order for the polygon to be congruent? The exact same, Y. So in order for congruent, meaning that it was being multiplied, but whatever you're multiplying it by, it has to stay the same number. So what number would that be? It would be 1. So that means if A is greater than or between, those can't be right because it would have to equal 1. So then we say to get to H, and it says if A is greater than 1, the image of the polygon is smaller. So if I am multiplying something by a number greater than 1, my outcome is going to be greater than 1, so it's not going to get smaller, it's actually going to get larger. So if A is between 0 and 1, then you are going to get a smaller polygon. So here you go. If the scale factor, in this case it's A, is greater than 1, then you have an enlargement, and if A, so I'm going to use A, is less than 1, then you have a reduction.